Imagine waking up without any back pain and having the ability to do activities you used to love doing. What if a simple stretch could cure your back pain, help you become stronger, and flatten your stomach all at the same time? Yes, it's true. You can unlock your body's potential to start feeling younger, healthier, and more pain-free every day. The traditional paths to erasing pain can be expensive, invasive, and downright complicated for those suffering from back pain. Too many healthcare providers will prescribe a painkiller or suggest surgery to help you find a solution. We're here to tell you that there is an easier way to get the relief you need and deserve. With an easy, daily routine, you can erase and eliminate back pain for good. People of all ages can find permanent relief from both upper and lower back pain. So, if you have constant stiffness, shoulder pains, neck pains, or back discomfort, then you'll want to stick around to listen to the solution that may be just the answer you've been waiting for. You can gain access to an easy-to-follow program that walks you through daily routines you can perform at any time and anywhere. So, whether you're at the office, at your desk, sitting at the kitchen table, or in the park, you can quickly and effectively perform the stretches that we outline in this guide. Not only will this help you relieve pains you've been dealing with for far too long, but you'll begin strengthening your core, which is the true secret to living a pain-free life. This core strengthening can have a tremendous impact on your overall health, allowing you to enjoy the daily activities of life again. Our program will guide you through the basics of a stretch that can release the tension in your back, helping relieve sciatica and lower back pain. It doesn't matter how old you are or whether you're in shape or not. Most people have the wrong idea about back pain. We'll explore the 3 biggest myths people have about dealing with back pain. You'll learn about how stretching the sore muscles is the worst thing you can do for your back, why strengthening your core muscles is so much more important than strengthening your back muscles, and how letting your back rest only weakens the muscles and makes the pain worse. With our program, you'll find simple solutions to back pain relief that don't require medications or supplements, eliminate the need for surgery, and even help you flatten your belly and lose pounds of fat. For just $37, you'll gain access to a series of 10 instructional videos and a free ebook illustrating the entire process. Plus, we're going to add on a few free bonuses, like our additional 4 moves for an ageless spine that take less than a minute per day to add life to your discs and prevent back freeze. 3 easy diet changes that make for a better back and core, and the unusual bedtime position that can bring your hips and spine back into alignment while you sleep. You get our video series plus all these bonuses valued at $500 for a flat fee of $37. This is the lowest price we've ever offered this program. So if you felt that back pain has been disrupting every aspect of your life, you're not alone. 16 million Americans report dealing with chronic back pain. That's why we created this program, to help so many find a way to start living a full and energetic life again. You'll discover more energy in your life, deeper sleep, and the ability to do more than you even thought possible. As you stick with the program, you will feel like you've brought years back into your life again. You don't have to be restricted by stiffness or aches and pains anymore, or feel like you're trapped in your body. Take back your freedom to move and enjoy the things you love to do. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity to find lasting relief from debilitating pain. You can transform your life. Order our program today to discover the change.